Hey, in just a moment, I'm going to give you a demonstration on this triple action apple machine. It peels, it slices, and it cores the apple all at one time. Now, we're not being paid or we're not getting anything for this. I just found this amazing machine, and it's made by Mrs. Anderson's. It costs between $20 and $30 depending on where you buy it. So now I'm going to show you how it works, and if you like this thing, you can get it from, I think Amazon has it, and we bought ours at the place where we buy our apples. So anyway, I'm going to show you how it works, and we'll see how it does. Hey, recently in our last video, you saw me purchase a apple peeler, which it was in a box like this. This is not it, but it's exactly the same thing. It comes in a box assembled, and it has on the bottom of it, it has a suction cup, and we have granite countertops, so therefore it sticks real well. Now the way you do this is you take your apple, you have 3 prongs right here. Can you see those prongs? Then you take your apple and you push them up on there. Put them on there good. And then you start. Now what this is going to do is going to peel the apple, and at the same time it's going to slice the apple, and then it will core the apple. So watch. Core, peeled, and sliced. Now you can't ask for better than that. Okay, was that pretty fast? Now I'm going to show you one more apple, just so that this time you can see it, and I'll do it a little more slow so that you can see the action. So with this particular one, this is the, what do you call these? This is the screw. You open this up, pull it back. Fit your apple on there with the stem side of the core. Slide it on there as far as it'll go. Make sure it's locked down. And then previously, before you start this, you're going to have to adjust your cutter. This is your peeler. Now it will, you can adjust it by sliding this back and forth, and also by the tension on where you want it set. Now this is good for me here. So it starts cutting, and peels the apple. As it peels, it slices. And you have your core. So that's it. Once you get it, and then to me it's one of the easiest and best ways to peel and freeze or whatever you want to do, even for your pie. You can have all this done in just actually minutes, where you would normally spend a day peeling apples and cutting them and slicing them. I like this better.